Hello friends, all of you are welcome at my channel which is online science class. Today we are again going to discuss about house wiring, point location, that is location of points. This is actually my second video on house wiring. In my first video I expressed that I will take some 4-5 videos to cover this house wiring. And my intention that common people should know something about house wiring, because otherwise they have to blindly depend on the electrician or contractor and what they are doing. And the man who is constructing the house is not aware. So he must have some knowledge also. Not much detail, because it is a technical subject. It is not possible for all people to know every detail, but some knowledge is required. And I will discuss mainly these points. And one thing, please be with me and follow all these videos. Don't miss it. Otherwise, the part knowledge is not desirable. Okay. Sure. You see this. It's a layout. Here it is the entry point. Okay. After opening this gate, you enter this living room. This is living room or drawing room. Here one small room. You can call it a study room or guest room. Then it is kitchen. Then this is toilet, common toilet. Then this is one bedroom. It is one bedroom, and both bedroom have common entry to this balcony. Okay, this is the layout of some rooms. That is 2 bedroom, 1 study room, 1 kitchen, living room, and 2 toilets. Now, location of points, it is my jurisdiction. One who constructs the house, it is his jurisdiction, and as per his requirement, he should decide it. Say, here I will fix 2 lamp points, here I will fix 1 fan, I will install the air conditioner on that wall, I will keep my refrigerator here. So all these things he should decide. For example, say this bedroom. And let me say the abbreviation. This L for lamp, F it is fan, AC it is air conditioner, EX means exhaust fan, GUI that is geyser, micro means micro oven. This is TV audio system. Then CMP means computer with printer, etc. SWB switchboard I have told. REF that is the refrigerator. Now for this bedroom, you see, I have decided here will be 2 lamp points, here 1 lamp points. Why 2 lamp points? There must be some logic. For every decision there should be some logic. 2 lamp points mean when in the evening I am not in the room, just I will want to have some light, I will put one small wattage lamp, say the LED lamps or something like that, so that the room will be just lighted. Okay. Then I will fix my AC over here. The fan he was saying that it is at some corner, not at the center, because you see this is window, this is window. So it is natural that I will keep my cot here, over here. So I require the fan point here. That is, I am telling you, every decision should be logical. Similarly for this bedroom, this balcony, this kitchen, bookshelf. Now let us forget about all this. Just concentrate in this living room area. How to draw these things, and it is all the same for this area, this area, this area. You see, you are entering this way. This is bell, that is bell push for calling bell. And if it is dark, you will find a problem to find the where the switchboard. So you must have some switch over here, very near to the door. So you just put it on, you will get this light. It is fixed on the ceiling. Then here is the switchboard. From here, connection is given to this fan, this light. Here are two lights. That is, this fan and 1, 2, 3. 3 lights and 1 fan is being controlled by this switch. And you also keep 1 or 2 plug points. It is required also. So by seeing this, the electrician, he will have a clear idea that he needs a board which should have 1, 2, 3, 4 switches and 1 or 2 plug sockets, etc. So accordingly, we will fix the box inside the wall for concealed wiring, everything. So there will be less chance of mistakes. Similarly, for this switchboard, there should be some plug points for this TV and audio system. It controls also this light. This light I have shown here, 2 fan, and this is this light. It should if it hangs from the ceiling, and it is a very good decorative fitting. It will look nice. And for this, actually, you have to beforehand. You have to tell the persons who are constructing the roof casting. Before that, you have to push some like the fan hook. They should have some hook for this fastening this your decorative fittings. And your electrician also put some wire, put some conduit over there. So this is the switchboard controlling these 2 lights and this light. Here this switchboard is controlling this light, this fan, these 2 lights, etc. Here is the switchboard which here actually, if it is the kitchen, then here naturally you will keep the dining table, and here it is the wash machine and mirror. You need 1 lamp over the mirror, and generally on the left side you should have some switch. So, and if you make this type of drawing, this is not much complicated. You can do this thing. You give this drawing to the electrician only for this, not for whole. After this, you make same thing for this area, you make same thing for this area, this area, and in separate 4 or 5 sheets you hand over to the electrician a copy, and you also keep 1 copy. And their electrician will have a clear-cut idea where the points have to be met. So this is the way of locating the points and how you will have the diagram. Okay. So today up to this, there are so many points to discuss, like where the main energy meter will be installed, what will be the protective devices, what will be the rating of the connecting wires. Gradually I will cover all these things, and my request, please subscribe my channel, and you should view all the videos so that you have a complete knowledge about this house wiring. So thank you.